Hello, I'm Michelle Park, Director of Business Development at Spiceware. Spiceware One is a cloud data security service. Founded in 2017, we have over 23 clients and partners and are currently in a pre-A funding stage with various notable investors such as OnLab, which is a leading IT company, and Hana Bank of Korea. There has been dramatic changes in the work environment due to COVID-19, and B2B SaaS has become part of everyday life due to agility of automation, flexibility, and cost optimization in various industries, and it's being used in customer relations to e-commerce platform as well as metaverse. And what's happening with this explosive growth of SaaS is that all your data is moving to the cloud, but the data stored in the cloud, are they really safe? Do your cloud providers take full responsibility for the data lost? Not necessarily. Cloud is the new trend, but there are some key security issues in SaaS that security officers are concerned about. First, B2B SaaS basically connects using an open internet network, and most SaaS vendors do not provide regular security management training for their service software. Second, there's no security initiative from renting the software, and in most cases, you will have to rely on security measures of the rental operator. And third, there is lack of visibility due to inability to understand the system access records and usage status, and compliance is often not met. And lastly, B2B SaaS cannot be protected by traditional security products and has a structure that infinitely trusts the B2B SaaS provider to build its own security system. So among the security concerns related to cloud services, the most worrisome is information leakage due to consignment storage of data. Controlling data sharing in the cloud and gaining visibility is therefore the utmost priority. The main functions required by the cloud data security product must be easy to operate and scalable. And Spiceware One is a one-stop CASB service for businesses. It offers an AI-based complete personal data protection service in the cloud for businesses. Here is our dashboard, and Spiceware One has a personalized dashboard that provides a screen where you can understand at a glance all the abnormal behaviors related to personal information processing of its internal members within the company. In addition, you can also view personal information access records by period and process encryption settings in one view. Spiceware's unique technology is certified both globally, and we are ISO certified and have received CSA star in bronze for our services. We're currently available on AWS, Naver Cloud, SKT, as well as procurement service of Korea, and will also be available on all global marketplaces such as Google GCP and Microsoft Azure. In 2020, Spiceware One collaborated with LG CNS, which is a subsidiary of a fourth largest conglomerate in Korea, and we provided a database encryption standard into their next generation SaaS, and the product is now being sold as a package to all their SaaS clients. Secondly, it was introduced to TMAP Mobility service this year, and on average, there's more than 100 million cases of location information, usage history, and personal information that are being encrypted and decrypted in real time every day using our solution. Thank you so much, and please contact me through Orange Fab Asia for more information about our services.
Okay. Yes, thank you. So my name is Michelle. I'm the Director of Business Development at Spiceware. I apologize for the technical issue. I had no trouble hearing the audio though, so hopefully everyone was able to listen. And yeah, please let me know if you have any questions.
Fine. So I have one question. Last time when I met you, there are many personal information protection solution today, but there are missing part for different solutions. So you mentioned that you are connecting that missing dot. Can you explain a little bit about it, comparing it to video competitor solution?
Sure. So what we do is we protect data in the cloud environment by integrating the log of the user system built directly in IaaS and the usage history of data as SaaS using its proxy. So we have key features that are automatic encryption and decryption, automatic personally identifiable information identification and recognition of data. So it classifies data based on its sensitivity type using our AI technology, which saves considerable time for database administrators when they're organizing and managing the data. And lastly, we have the ability to detect and notify the database administrator if there's any abnormal behaviors in case of, for example, large-scale inquiry of PII data that's being processed based on the usage history. So there are a lot of other CASB products in the market right now, from Microsoft to like BitGlass and Netscope, but they don't offer this PII protection as well as data access restriction all at the same time. So that's one of the reasons why our product has more competitive advantage as opposed to other products.
Okay. Is your product that can be used after purchase, or are there need any engineering from your side for customization of solution by solution?
We don't need customization, but for enterprises, every architecture is different. So there is that process of POC where they try out our product and we try to customize it based on the type of architecture that they have. But for regular SaaS customers, like SMBs, they should have no issue using the product right away.
Okay.
And yeah, and the product will be available on other cloud marketplaces globally this year, other than AWS as well. So if you're interested to see a demo of the product or to get more information about how the service works for a potential partnership, please feel free to contact me.
At what stage are you in terms of global business development? Do you have any client in overseas except Amazon Web Services?
So Amazon is not our client. They're more like our sales partner because we have our product up on their marketplace and we're select technology partners with them. But we do have a POC going on with a couple of European and US companies right now, which we can't disclose right now because due to NDA. But after the POC, we're hoping to relate it to sales after that.
Okay. Who are your main targets in terms of clients?
Right now, our main target are businesses that have migrated to cloud and are handling a large sensitive data that is not just limited to like personally identifiable information, but their sensitive data that the business has to protect. So mostly in healthcare and finance that are looking for compliance under privacy regulations like CCPA or GDPR.
Okay, thank you. If there is no other questions from the audience, you can meet Michelle again in their booth in the expo zone in the event platform.